Go ahead. When you're ready, Rain. It's been recording. Go.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, action!
Ano ba, hello?
Ano ba, hello?
Paano mag-opening? Paano? Hi everyone, my name is Rain and welcome to BS Games Philippines. Today we are playing One Night Ultimate Vampire with seven players. Seven players. And our players for the day are my screen are not arranged, so I'll start with Itlog, Ice Princess, Noob Ambassador, Skido Levino, Sheka, Gujin, and I will be playing too. And for moderating today would be Sandman. Take it away.
Thank you very much, Rain. All right. So yes, you're playing One Night Ultimate Vampire with 7 players. Check nyo na lang sa description below para malaman nyo kung anong rules yung ginagamit namin. Word of warning, meron tayong instigator role. Who knows? Malay nyo nasa inyo, malay nyo nasa akin, pero may instigator role tayo. Anyway, this is Sheka's first One Night Ultimate Vampire game. Gagayad ko siya, so medyo mabagal na itry natin. Everyone, with your mics, go to sleep. With your mics, go to sleep.
Good night, everybody!
Team Vampire Wake Up, specifically the Vampire and or Count. Team Vampire Wake Up. Sino ang bibigyan nating mark of the Vampire? You're giving it to this person. This person. All right. Go back to sleep. Team Vampire. Meeting ko kayo in a while. Okay. Everyone, wake up. Tingnan niyo muna. Kung may sinend ako sa inyo, it means you have the mark. You have a mark. Kung wala akong sinend sa inyo, then you have the mark of clarity. Kung wala akong sinend sa inyo. Go back to sleep, everyone. Magna-night face na tayo.
You go to sleep.
Next person that I have to wake up is a pickpocket. Pickpocket up. Alright. Kaninong mark na nakawin mo? Malalaman mo ang bago mong mark. Yung card mo, ganun pala. Feeling this person. Okay. Ang bago mong mark, yung mark mo mapupunta sa kanya. Kasi ang bago mong mark ay ito. Okay. Bagong mark ay ito. Go back to sleep. Pickpocket. All right. Everyone wake up.
Everyone, wake up.
Everyone wake up. Okay, so ang hinahanap niya ngayon, vampires. Pwedeng multiple teams yung manalo dito kasi merong mga or may assassin, so who knows, pero pwedeng multiple teams manalo dito. I'm gonna give you guys 7 minutes, fine. 7 minutes to catch, kasi first time ni Sheka, 7 minutes to catch either the vampire, the count, or kung kanino yung mark of the vampire. Good luck.
Nasa akin yung mark of the vampire nakalagay dito.
Sakto. Ako yung marksman.
Chinek mo yung akin, di ba? Mark of the vampire nga, di ba?
Hindi. Bawal ako mag-check eh.
Bawal ka ba mag-check?
Okay.
Kasi nalagyan ka ng mark.
You got the mark of fear? Is that what you're saying? No?
Yun nilagay mo, Skido.
Oh my God. I am asking you, or maybe you could be lying, but I don't know. So
Yeah,
based on what
the
Noob
mark
is
of
saying, there's a count here then. Based on what he's saying.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nilagay ko sa sarili ko yung ano. Pwede ba yun? Pwede yun, di ba? Nagawa ko.
What's your role, Itlog? What are you claiming?
I'm claiming all the marks.
Oh my God. I can hear
A mark
Samuel.
collector.
All the marks.
Ikaw ba
So
si Mark?
if you have the mark of the vampire, aaminin mo ba yun?
Oo,
Yeah,
kasi
that's
malamang yun,
so
napalitan na.
It's so weird. Like,
Pwede
Diba?
kasi mag-gremlin or
Amin ka
ano
na dyan, Gremlin. Diba pinalitan mo? Sino pa ba yung mga nagpapalit?
Marami
Ang play
nagpapalit.
nito na itlog. Baka nagpapatalo siya.
Pwedeng assassin siya mag-isa, tapos nilagay niya sarili niya.
yeah, there are assassins
Wala siyang
here.
ano.
We need to catch a
Pwede
vampire, not an assassin. Okay?
Pwede ring vampire ako, tas ginagawa kong suspicious sarili ko para hindi nyo,
Or gremlin siya, tapos nag-randomly nagpalit siya someone ng sarili niya.
ginanon ko si Santa, no? Tapos bahala na siya doon.
Feeling ko reverse psychology tayo ni...
Reverse.
Itlog,
So psychology lang yun. Reverse. So
psychology lang.
360 degree
Ladies
spin.
are quiet.
So iboto natin si Itlog.
Oo.
Bakit?
I agree with Bojin.
Wait, why are we voting Itlog right away? We don't even...
Kasi
Sakto
suspicious
sila,
naman siya lagi
dalawa
eh.
Dalawa silang nag-agree agad.
Oh,
Dalawa rin
Why would
pwede
we
yung
jump on
vampire.
that? Do immediately without knowing much information.
Oo nga, yan.
O sige, ano na ang rule mo? O sige, baka
I-reverse
gusto mo
psychology
ikaw
tuloy
yung
kayo.
maboto eh.
Or baka
Sige, Skido,
double
ikaw na talaga.
reverse double psychology tayo ni Itlog.
What?
Sige, Skido. Anong gusto mong patunayan?
No, I'm just asking.
Mas magaling daw siya kumanta
sa'yo.
I just wanted to,
Hindi
gather
talaga
more
ako
intel.
kumakanta si
Princess,
Skido
what's your-
talaga yun.
Kasi ganito, di ba, ginising tayo after nilagay yung new mark sa vampire. Pickpocket ako. Sorry, ano ba? Pickpocket ako. Wala ko nakuha ko kayo. Wala naman
Hindi ka
nakuha kay
pickpocket. Hindi ka pickpocket. Huwag
Wala
ka na
ka
magsinungaling.
nakuha kay
Huwag ka
Itlog.
magsinungaling. Liars go to hell.
Wala ka
Liars go to hell.
Yes,
Liars go to hell.
Wow.
Wala kang nakuha sa akin.
Judger, Bujin Judger.
Wala ko nakuha sa'yo.
Liars go to hell.
Kawawa ka naman.
Sa Mafia Ice Princess yung judge. Anong judge?
Pickpocket ka? Pickpocket ka
I'm the
rin?
mayor. Dalawa po na ano.
Labas mga dila mo. Hindi ka pickpocket.
What kind of a test is that?
Paano ka magiging pickpocket? Ako yung
Sige nga,
pickpocket.
Bujin. Ano ka, Bujin?
sa dila?
Pickpocket ka?
Hindi, panalo na tayo. Panalo na yung
Bucin.
Team Village.
Maniniwala ako sa'yo kung kumuha ka ng buhok sa ilong mo.
Oh.
Kaya
Pero,
makita.
ito mo?
Bujin, maniniwala ako kapag ka nagsuot ka ng swimsuit.
Oh no! Naka-live eh.
Kala ko sasabihin ni Bujin, ito. Oh. Suot niya ngayon.
Pantulog pala din, no?
3 minutes left.
Sino yung mga villagers
What
dito?
did you do?
Ang daming villagers. Ang dami ko kakampi ah.
Oo naman.
What did you do,
So,
Sheka?
sinasabi mo,
Parang naniniwala kay Bujin. Tama
Yes.
yung sinasabi ni Bujin kanina.
Ako yung pickpocket. Ninakaw ko Itlog yung mark of the assassin. So assassin, sorry, talo ka na. So nasa akin yung mark mo.
Boto ka namin, Bujin.
Tama
What?
yun. Kasi,
Joke lang.
Boto na natin si Bujin para matapos na.
Oy, ayun na yung assassin, no? So si Itlog,
Oo. Si
naka-Itlog
Bujin.
na yung mark of the vampire.
pickpocket si Bujin eh.
Bakit ko aminin na sa akin yung mark of the vampire?
Nire-reverse double reverse psychology mo nga kami.
Double, triple,
Sige
Sige nga,
quadruple,
explain mo
reverse.
yung double, reverse, double psychology. Sige nga,
So
explain.
di ba reverse psychology?
Explain nga, oh. Sige.
Tapos double. So yun, naka-Itlog, mark of the
Gusto ko,
vampire.
Bujin, pag-edit nito, may lalabas na flowcharts, ha?
2 minutes left. 2 minutes.
Okay, we have 2 minutes left, guys.
Ang tagal naman ng 2 minutes na yan.
So, paki-nominate na lang po si Itlog, ganun.
Okay, Itlog na. Yung magboboto sa akin, syempre sila yung assassin, di ba?
Talaga.
Baka nominate Itlog.
I'm going for Bujin.
Oh,
I'm
ayun
going
na
for
si
rain.
assassin.
Kasi, totoo yung sinasabi ni Bujin. Ako hindi ko naman alam paano laruin tong game na to eh. Pero totoo yung sinasabi ni Bujin. Kasi nung
Honest kasi ko.
nung kanina, nung gumising ako, gusto na-receive.
Ano ginawa?
Bujin, ano ka? Ano ka?
Nagising ka, ano?
Gumising ka, ano?
Tao.
Gumising ka tapos, ano?
Pickpocket.
Pickpocket si Bujin.
Pickpocket.
Pickpocket si Bujin. Nasa kanya yung
Ano,
mark of the
Bujin,
vampire. Bakit
pickpocket.
niya sasabing nasa kanya yung mark of the assassin?
Kasi pwede kasi siyang ano, di
Paano
ba?
kung nasa kanya yung mark of the vampire
siyang mag-
tapos umiiwas siya sa votes?
Wala, nasa iyo na.
1 minute left. 1 minute left.
So Noob has the mark of fear. Sheka, what is
Iiwasan ko na lang yung mga nakakalito. I will nominate Skido.
Napakarandom naman nun.
Everything together.
Wala pa kasi sinasabi si Skido.
Sa mga nakakalito, kailangan mo sundan. Yun hindi nakakalito, yun na lang i-nominate natin. Umikot-ikot na yung mark, umikot-ikot na yung...
Anong kinakain mo, Baby Love?
Talo ka or panalo ka. Pag iboto mo hindi
Ano kinakain mo?
Okay.
Makain ka na naman, Sheka.
Chocolate.
Boto natin yung malinis yung record.
Ako din kumakain,
Grabe ka, Sanman, ngayon lang.
Di ba in A, dapat ang binoboto natin, malinis records.
Sheka, kaitlog tayo.
Ba't kayo hindi malinis yung record?
Skido, kaitlog tayo. Kaitlog.
Yun, 5 daw. 5.
Yeah.
Naniniwala ako kay Bujin.
5 tayo.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
10 tayo.
Okay, that's it. No more discussion. Bawa mo na. So, for Sheka's benefit, if you feel na both vampire cards nasa akin, vote 0, kailangan wala mga 2 votes. You're looking for kung kanino yung vampire card or the count card or the mark of the vampire. Okay? I'm gonna count you guys down from 3. Paki-hold na lang na matagal. Counting down 3, 2, 1. Paki-hold lang, please. 10 ba yan, Sheka? Yung piniflip mo? 10 yan. So, wait. 1, 2, 3. Tatlong 10. 5 yun kanina. Tapos 4 na 5.
Ano ka?
4 na 5. 5.
Ano naging 4 yung 5?
Yan o, si Ice Princess. Si
Nene. Alam ko magpatay eh.
4 ang 5. That's the
majority.
majority.
Bye, Bujin.
Okay, hands
down. Magsiskido ka.
Reverse psychology.
So, reverse. Kaka-reverse na.
Ilang reverse yun? 3?
Feeling ko nakuha ni Rain yung role ng assassin.
Actually, sa start ng game, si Skido ang vampire at si Rain
sabi ko sa inyo, malinis record, Skido.
Noong nag-start yung game, binigay nila yung mark of the vampire kay Bujin. Hinihingi ni Bujin, binigay nila, nakakatawa.
Binigay ko.
Hindi nyo alam, pickpocket siya. So, pwede niyang ilipat yung mark of the vampire to a person. Binigay niya kay Itlog. So, Itlog was also a vampire. Kasi nasa kanya mark of the vampire. Nakuha ni Bujin ang mark of the assassin as the robber. Kasi ninakawan siya ni Sheka. So, talo ang village. Panalo ang vampires kasi hindi na vote out yung vampires. Good job, Skido, Rain, and Itlog. And panalo rin ang assassin, which is si Itlog pa rin kasi hindi naman nagbago yung assassin.
Yay! 2 points!
Yung mark of the assassin. So, yes.
Ako talo ko?
Yeah, kasi ang target mo, Ice Princess, actually ikaw nagpatalo. Ang target mo is yung assassin mismo, hindi yung mark of the assassin. Yung assassin yung target mo. Hindi naman nagbago yung assassin pa rin si Itlog eh. So, if you voted for Itlog...
Naloko ata siya, gumagano'n ako nung kagabi.
If you voted for Itlog, baliktad, panalo yung village and panalo ka. Pero baliktad, panalo yung...
Itlog.
Wala ka, Itlog, banloloko ka!
Oh, no! Ay, grabe. May hugit yung pagkakasabi ni Ice Cream. Paano nasabi na yung lately, yung pagkakasabi.
Naloko ba ako? Gumanon lang ako sa kanya. Nag-raise lang ako ng hand.
Sabi niya, no pictures lang eh.
Sabi ko, ako yun. Ako. Hindi yan 5. Sabi ko lang ako.
Good job. Nahuli si Ray ni Bujin, hindi siya doon kasi pickpocket nga siya. For the recording, lagi ko nakakalimutan to kasi wala nag-check na middle cards. Card 1 is the gremlin, card 2 was the instigator, card 3 was the troublemaker. Now let me wake up specifically the count. Kung meron man tayong count, wake up. At di na bibigyan natin ng mark of fear. May night action siya, wala siya magagawa. Night shift. Right? Deep. Wake up first, the assassin. Assassin, wake up. Yun ang bibigyan natin mark of the assassin. Anyone, including yourself. Alright. Keep your eyes awake kung may kausap ako. Kung merong apprentice assassin, please wake up para makita mo ang target mo. Kung meron kang nakikita, then siya ang target mo. Kung wala kang nakikita, then you get to pick your own target. Alright, it's long enough. Go back to sleep. Assassin and or apprentice assassin. Smile, wake up. Alright, marksman, we're checking the mark of one person and the card of another person. So, mark muna. Kaninong mark ang gusto mong makita? Okay, that person's mark as of right now is this one. Alright, ano naman? Card. Kaninong card ang gusto makita? That person's card is this one. Alright, go back to sleep. Marksman. After the marksman, robber, wake up. Alam mo na to, again, you're just stealing the card, not the marks. Yung card lang ang nanakawin mo. Kaninong card ang nanakawin mo? Malalaman mo ang iyong bagong card. Right, your new card is this one. So you mark mo ganun pala. Back to sleep, former robber. Good job.
Sino yung count?
Si Rain yung count. Tapos siya, marksman nga si NA, so wala siya nagawa.
Ay, hindi. Si Skido yung nagsabi.
Watch the feed. Way before ma-upload
Hindi
tong
ko
video.
alam kung ano yung special ng count. Nakalimutan.
Anyway. So, well, let's wrap this game up muna so we can play at least one more last game. Rain, congratulations. Yung bawing-bawi mo yung last game. Dahil doon, please close the game. Go ahead.
Closing.
Ikaw nag-open, so ikaw na magka-close. Tama, no? Tama. Yeah. Go ahead.
And that is another game of One Night Ultimate Vampire. The vampires won along with the assassin with the
vampire assassin.
Vampire assassin. Yay! Better luck next time. Village. If you like this video, click on the like button, hit subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notifications on our future videos. And if you'd like to join our game, leave a comment and we'll sure to invite you. Bye for now.